Hello friends, welcome to our channel Banani's Garden. In this video, we are going to show the easiest method to propagate strawberry plants from their runners. We will cover complete information on all the do's and don'ts. If you follow the whole process, you will get 100% success on the propagation of strawberries at your home. Let's start. Now, it's the month of April in India. This is our mother plant. As you can see, the runners have come out. A small plant has already formed in a node of the runner. We have to plant this new sapling, including the runner. We will plant the sapling in another pot.
First, we have to cover the hole with some gravels. This way, the soil will not block the hole and extra water can be released easily. The soil mixture that we are using contains same amount of garden soil, organic compost and sand. Fix the pot near the mother plant and place the sapling along with its runner in the soil. Cover with extra soil. Add water and put the whole system in partial shade. Make sure the system is not disturbed, otherwise the roots will not be formed.
This is after 10 days. As you can see, the saplings has formed roots and it's settled in the new soil. More runners are formed. We will plant them in another pot. Now we have reached the most important part. When you see the baby plant has settled in the new soil and formed roots, you have to cut the runner and disconnect it from the mother plant. Otherwise, if you keep them connected, the sapling will take nutrients from the mother plant and the mother plant may die. And also remember, do not propagate more than 3 plants from a single mother plant. Also, remove the runners coming out from the new baby plants.
Apply fungicide once in a week to prevent any fungal attack. You can use any organic liquid fertilizer like rotten mustard cake solution once in 15 days for the healthy growth of the plants. After 1 month, your strawberry saplings will be ready for the final potting. This part is covered in another video that shows the whole process of growing strawberries from saplings. That's all for today. Let us know in the comment section if you are already growing strawberries at your home. Thank you for being with us until the end. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and keep remembering our motto, make your rooftop green, the world will be greener.